Hello everyone, we're going to play a game called Meteor 60 Seconds. I can't find it. Ah, there it is. Alright. Let's see here. Breaking news! NASA recently stated that a meteorite will collide with Earth soon and that the Earth will be destroyed. Surprisingly, NASA said that we all have only 60 seconds left to live. Bye guys! Just kidding. Honestly, if I had 60 seconds to live, it would make the best YouTube video ever. Before the Earth is destroyed. What did I just say? I only have 60 seconds more left to live? Damn it! I just became a news anchor today. It took me 20 years to get this position. I don't even look 20 years old. Oh, whatever. I don't care about my whole career of my life broadcasting anymore. Oh, God. Fuck life. I mean, he's got the right idea. You're home. What? Is that true? The Earth is going to be destroyed? I can't believe it. What should I do for the rest of my life with only 60 freaking seconds left to... Is it okay to do anything I want? Even if it is legal? Oh, God. What about... Why are you going to plant an apple tree? You're stupid. Damn it, I don't even have enough to think about it. Let's go. Honestly, by the time you were done thinking that, you'd probably already be dead. Alright. Mario keys move, G is violence, H is to kiss. Alright. Let's see, arrow keys work. Nope, it is strictly... We're gonna kill everybody. Oh, I got that. Ooh. Be dead, dog. Oh, what? You got a problem with me? Oh, you get away from me. Oh, boom. Let's go. Got him. Hey, give me that gun. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Nuclear reactor? Click to use. Nope. Everything getting destroyed by no meteorite. Yeah, I did it. Mission successful. Finally, I died with the Earth. It was a wonderful life. At the time of my life. I'm seeing only a white landscape. What is this exactly? Heaven? No, this is probably hell after what I just did. You're done. Please wake up. Where is this? You just had a personality diagnostic test. Oh, God. I'm done. Hopefully no one finds out about this. Can you keep this between the two of us here, Doctor? Which involved virtually reality programming so far. Virtual reality, so the Earth has not been destroyed? That's right. Our latest technology is just like the movie Matrix. Allows you to experience a virtual life in a short time. By analyzing your behavior, it also helps us know the person's true character. Well, actually, I should also tell you that. Your family also watched the screen together. Damn it, Doctor! I told you to keep this between the two of us, and you go just tell my whole family, huh? Of course. Well, I'm screwed. Yeah, there was like a mess up there. None of that actually happened. I was actually doing the opposite of killing everyone. I was trying to save the world. Oh, great. My mom and my girlfriend and my nephew are here. Oh, that's, great. Hopefully I'm not the nephew's role model. Were you all watching me? Son, I think it was a good idea to take this personality test. I agree. Wouldn't it be a good idea to isolate him from our society? He's the type of person to afflict people around him when he's going through hardship. Use a nuclear bomb to kill every human being? That's crazy. Uncle, did you think it was best to kill us all since we were going to die anyways? Later in life, I kill people as I die, just like you did, Uncle. No! Okay. Alright. We'll give it a couple more tries. And then we'll look at the ending list, and I think that'll have to do for today. This screen recorder only lets me do 15 minutes. Yeah, or it's gonna be destroyed, and you take off your clothes and say, fuck life. You don't give two fucks. Alright. Alright, I'm just gonna go. Oh my god, I forgot. Love me! You wanna love me? I'll beat you up. Oh, he's gonna beat me up. Hooah! Hooah! I win. Oh, she looks like she wants it. No, you don't want it. That's what you get. All these guys are attacking me. Oh my god, they're following me. Beat them up, yeah. Get out of here. Oh, that right. Yeah. No! Everything's gone. We're screwed. Earth's destroyed, blah, blah, blah. Personality test, whatever. Let's see what my family has to say about this one. Oh. You're garbage. Son, I didn't know you were like this. You're garbage. How could you consider yourself a human? I don't. Actually, I'm pretty sure I'm like an alien from Mars or something. Are you a psychopath? I can't believe you chose to kill people. I was ending their misery. No. Oh, you think we should break up? I'm coming for you. You saw what I did to those people? You're gonna get it worse. No, I'm just kidding. Uncle, why were you laughing and killing people? Wait, why was I laughing? Was it fun? I mean, I guess it was fun. I want to be a cool murderer like you when I grow up. What am I doing to this poor kid? Oh, she left me. Murderer. Alright, let's see this ending list and see if we can't get one more. See how many endings there are. Meteor explosion. Hero, trashy murderer, happy 60 seconds. Coming out, escape alone, and breathing. I want to do the trashy murderer. Yes. Let's kill as many people as you can in time. Happy 60 seconds. Oh my god. You are a hero. You should not sacrifice one while saving the planet. Police in the East are vulnerable to beauty. You can get a bat from a bat boy by loving him. What? Don't do anything except breathe. Alright. Well, I think I'm going to do... just kill everyone. Skip that. No, I want the gun. Where's my gun at? Do I run out of ammo or something? Not cool. Alright, well. You're dead, and you're dead, and go over here and be like, boom, you're dead, and boom, boom, boom. Oh god, he beat me. Oh! It did not work very well. So let's see if I got the trashy murder ending, or if I just got the normal murder. Did I get? No. Alright. We're going to literally go kiss every woman in there. And see if we can get that happy 60 seconds. Alright, let's. You have anything here? Nope. We're gonna go the other way. Did you really just take a swing at me? No, I kissed the wrong person. Alright, look, I'm going to have to hurt you people. Alright, you guys wanna go? You guys wanna go? You guys wanna go? You guys wanna go? Oh my god. Alright, I cannot take those guys apparently. These women are very brutally strong. Even, oh my god, just leave me alone. Just stop it. Just go away. They're all killing me. I just got like murdered. I missed one though. I didn't get it. I don't know if I got it because I missed them. Okay, so I killed like one person and I got the murder ending again. So I think we go to the right and then move over to the left and just oh my god, all these guys are after me now. Oh my god, no, this is not fair. Stop it. Leave me alone. Oh my god, just stop freaking hurting me. Alright, you guys wanna go? Wanna go? Boom, boom, boom. Batter up. Alright, so you gotta love them, and then you gotta kill them. Except for her, she likes it. You're in the way, dog. I did it! I know it! Got it. I better have. Are you serious? I just kissed the women. So you literally have to only kiss them. Anyway, that's all I have time for today. So leave a comment in below if you want me to try and get the rest of the endings or any of the free games off of Steam that you guys have that you might want me to play. And yeah.